Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last couple of videos we showed you how to add a simple product and a variable product. A variable product is a product with different specifications and different prices. Today we're going to look at ways to edit these things. Now you can go into any product and you can hit the edit button. And it'll take you to that product and you can edit everything right here as usual, your categories, your description, your images, etc. and your price obviously. But that can be very time consuming, so let's take a look at the quick edit feature. This is the full edit. If we go back to our products, let's get a little laptop here and let's go into quick edit. Now here it will still let you edit the name, the date that it's published. You can put in keywords. Now keywords, I've not really talked much about that. Each word you put in here has to be separated by a comma. And what are they for? They're for SEO or search engine optimization. And what that means is it helps your site to come up in search engines such as Google and Bing, etc. Now you can put quite a lot of keywords in here. You want them to be pertaining to whatever the product is or whatever questions people might ask to find products like yours. So I'm just going to select a few. And this is not an SEO course, so this is really just a quick overview. And I've just banged a couple in there. Computers, best price, computer desktop, and this will actually help a little bit search engines to find your product or certainly your site a little bit easier. That's what your keywords are for, and you can enter these quite easily in the quick edit screen. The benefit of the quick edit screen, as I'm sure you've realized already, is you don't actually have to leave the product page at all. It's not going to open another page. And you can put in an SKU price. You can set a sale price from here, change the taxable rate, weight, etc., etc. Stock quantity, that will increment automatically when you put it in there and people start buying stuff. You can change it from published to draft. You can actually password protect it or make it private if you want to. So that's one of the benefits of using the quick edit. Unfortunately, if we go back out here and we do the same thing with a Dell desktop, let's just save my changes here. Once you're done with your edits, just hit the update button. It's a lot quicker way than actually going into the full edit up there, obviously. Let's go into a desktop here. We'll do the same thing. And this will allow you again to pretty much do everything we said there. You know, you can put in your product tags, change the date it's published. You can change the categories that it's in if you need to. But you can't actually change the price here, unfortunately. So for variable products, you're going to have to go in and do it the old-fashioned way, which is to go in to the actual product itself, go down to the variations, expand each one, and then you can change the price and add a sale price or whatever you want to do there. But using the quick edit is a fantastic option for most features. So I thought I'd point that one out. It's a quick video here, guys. Just save my changes there. Now as your store gets bigger, those ones that we put the keywords in, you can see it's put them there for us. As your store gets bigger and more complex, you might find it really tedious to have to update your prices and everything like that all the time. There are plugins you can get to do that. One that I can think of at the moment is called Bulk Edit, WooCommerce Bulk Edit, which sort of brings it up in a CSV, comma separated value form, and you can just go through and update your prices that way. I think I'll cover that perhaps in a video. It's nothing to do with Divi, it's a third-party plugin, but we'll do that. So there you have it, guys. That was short and sweet, just a little intro into how to edit using the quick edit versus the full edit. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please like, share, ring the bell, comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.